Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of That's Bizarre. My name is Mike Sanchez. I am the Naturalist Center Educator at the New Mexico Museum of Natural History and Science, and I will be pulling strange and bizarre specimens from the Education Department collection and seeing if you can figure out what they are. So today's specimens are these. Let me describe them. The outside is hard and smooth. You can see that it looks like somebody's written on the outside of it. And the inside is also hard, but it looks like somebody has pressed a pencil tip into clay. So that's what that sort of looks like. And your first clue is, if we're thinking in terms of animal, mineral, or vegetable, your first clue is these are animal and mineral. So it's a combination animal and mineral. So that means that these are fossils. So that is your first clue. They are fossils. Your next clue is that these are from New Mexico. So these are actually from our state. And your next clue is these are part of a larger thing. So these actually can connect together. And you can put a whole bunch of them together and it would form kind of like a long cone. So that is your next clue. So part of a larger thing. So let me give you your next clue. Even though they are old, as a matter of fact, these are about 100 million years old, and they are part of a larger thing, they are not from a dinosaur. So these are not dinosaur. In fact, they are from the ocean. So 100 million years ago, there was an ocean here in New Mexico, and there were dinosaurs on the land, and these were in the ocean. So that is another clue. So they are part of a larger thing from New Mexico, about 100 million years old. So these things also come in a variety of sizes and shapes. Here's another one that's kind of neat. There's another one. And here is a really strange one. If you've ever found something like this, and you're going, what in the heck am I looking at? You're about to find out. So since I'm showing you this, I will give you yet another clue. This is part of a larger thing. Here's one that is actually coiled, and it would be a part of something that looks like this. So these are called ammonites. Ammonites were animals related to squid and to octopus, and they came in a variety of shapes. There were some that were long and straight. So the one that you were seeing originally, the one that I showed you, is called a baculite ammonite. These coiled ones, the animal would have been sticking out of the end over here on this end. And they are closely related to things like to squid and to octopus. So you're looking at actually a shell. This is the seashell, and it would have been a squid or an octopus kind of an animal hanging out of the end over here on this end. Here's a modern relative, distantly related. This is a Nautilus shell. You can see that it's a seashell. And what you are looking at are actually the mud packed in between the chambers, the gas chambers. So this animal, you can see here's a broken one, and you can see the little chambers up in here. So those chambers are filled with gas. The animal is on one end, gas is on the other, and it helps it with floating in the ocean. So then it can help with buoyancy to be able to swim up or down in the water column. So what you are looking at are portions of baculite ammonites from New Mexico 100 million years ago. So now, if you ever find one, you'll know exactly what you're looking at. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed it.